Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you all control adjusters for your earbuds HUAWEI FreeBuds 5i. So at the back side of each earbud we have touch areas. Now let me play some song. If you double press the touch area on your left or right earbud by default, because now I showed to you a default gesture, then I will show you how to customize it. Now double tap and you will play or pause the song. 1, 2. I just pause the song. 1, 2. Maybe let's try again. No, it works. It's the same with the left one, as you can see. Next we have triple press, and with the triple press on your left or right earbud you can play next track. 1, 2, 3. Here we go. Then we have press and hold, but I will show it to you later. And then we have slide. If you slide up on your left or right earbud, you will increase or lower the volume. As you can see at this widget, I just increase the volume with a slide up. If I slide down, I will lower the volume. Now let's move to press and hold. So right here in the application we have ambient sound control. With the press and hold you will swap between ANC, transparency and normal mode. So right now I have normal mode, press and hold. I swap to the ANC, then press and hold again. I swap to transparency, and from transparency I will return to the normal mode. Now, how to customize these gestures, and also maybe you don't want to swap to the normal mode, we can disable it. You need to go to the gesture control at the left side. And now, for the double press, as you can see we have play and pause, but you can set to play next, previous track or wake up voice assistant by just tap on this. Then we have triple press, and with the triple press we can play only next and previous track, so you can set, let's say, to play previous track for the left earbud. Now we have it. For the press and hold we have only ANC, but also we can identify song, but you need to have HUAWEI device. I have right here iPhone, I cannot do this, but right here, when you select ANC, you can turn off, let's say, normal mode or transparency mode. You need to use these modes, so you can disable one of it. And it's the same with the right one. For the press and hold we have only reject a call, so we cannot change it. And with the swipe, as I said, we have volume control, but we cannot set volume control to another gesture, so I recommend it to leave it here. Now let's check double press. I set it for the left earbud, and triple press. Firstly, let's check triple press. So with the left earbud I should return to the previous track. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, it works. And then double press. As you can see, I wake my voice assistant. I have iPhone, so I call Siri. If you have Android, you will call Google Assistant or Gemini or Bixby. So that's it. Also, we have connection button at the charging case. And if you put your earbuds to the case and then press and hold at this button until the LED lights start blinking white, you will enter to pairing mode, so you can pair your earbuds with another device. And if you press and hold it for at least 10 seconds until the LED light start blinking red, you will perform a factory reset. Then you need to only reconnect your earbuds with your phone. If you still don't know how to do this, you can check video at this channel. We have how to perform factory reset. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!